Yo, 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 yo. And today we are playing some Roblox Fortnite. And here is my avatar in his natural habitat. So guys, today we are playing some Roblox Fortnite. And yeah. But it'll probably take ages to load. I see I'm level 2. Really crap. But I started maybe 4 days ago. Here's the item shop. I'm saving up for this. I need some more to get that. And yeah. So, as you can see, we're just loading in right now. I had a little play before I started with recording this video. Yeah, one sec, guys, I just need to shut the door. Okay, guys, I'm back. See, but the only thing I hate about this game is it takes ages to load in. Right, as you can see, there is other players in here. Some look quite aggressive, and look at this guy here. Look at this dude! Right. Hopefully, we can get maybe this dub. Probably not. But I'll tell you something, I am better on Roblox Fortnite than real Fortnite. I'm really crap. Real Fortnite. Oh, there's a gun there, but I didn't have time to get it. Oh, I need to turn this down. Okay, there we go. Right. Wait. Now I can't hear anything. Okay, right. See, everyone's... Wait. We're going over here. Let's put our parachute out. We're going to like this place here. Okay, now we can start diving. I didn't think anyone followed me. But if they did, we're probably gonna die, but you know. Ooh, pistol. Really bad. Oh yes, chest. I like it, launcher. Press E! I'm pressing E. Scoped rifle and 2 scope rifle. This is really bad. The only close range gun we've got right now. Right. It's going okay from now. Oh, 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 oh. Oh! Oh, get wrecked! Get absolutely freaking wrecked. No, 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 no. That's what you get. Oh crap, we're lagging. Has no ammo in it. We'll find some. Okay, this guy. We'll use a rocket launcher. I think we've got the whole plate. Oh yes, 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 shields. Hopefully no one snipes us. Oh no, rocket launcher. We'll swap our this. I hear chest. Oh, band. E! I'm pressing E! So slow. I don't like snipers. I'm not going to get it. I would get this. You guys tell me what to get because I have no clue. If I did something wrong, please put it in the chat because I have literally no clue. We're going to use that. Hopefully we did nothing wrong there. If we did, I'm sorry. But guys, it's actually like Fortnite, just pixelated. Like, that is not a person. Tell me if you just saw a person there, because I don't think I did. I think I just... Ooh. I think I'm a bit blind, me. Okay, this is good. We're looking gold. Oh, so what does Z do? Oh, it dances. Alright. Oh, this is where normally people... Oh, who's that? Someone died over there. Alright, okay. Put our rocket launcher out. Don't see anyone, this is looking good. Oh, yes. Okay. We've got some better things now, you know. Some things. Oh. I hear someone. Let's just run. I think I gotta hold on. This is looking good. One kill and 14 people left. Oh, someone's been here. Circle's ages away. Normally people... Oh. Damn. He's literally up that hill. No! Why did... Oh, you're lucky. Everyone's coming up the hills now. Can't get him! What is... I'm literally right on him. How are none of these hitting? We're gonna have to go in. Stay by the trees. Don't think they see me, right? We're gonna let those two duel. 8 people left. 1 kill. This is looking good. Looking fresh. Just move forward as we go. Oh crap. No! What the hell? Oh. Okay, good. Oh god. This guy's good. No, 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 no. He's gonna win. He's gonna win. No! 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 How? How? Damn! 44 health! No! I died by a pump shotgun. Oh. No! go. Oh well, guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down which videos you want me to do next. Hope you had a good time watching this, and yeah, so see you in the next week. Bye.